Hey, it's Gabrielle, and this video is in partnership with St. Pierre Bakery. Today we are making bread pudding, but it is a French breakfast bread pudding. It's got blueberries, maple syrup, all of the yummy things for fall. So let's get to it.
All right, to get this party started, we're gonna start off with the St. Pierre brioche slider rolls. Y'all know we love a good brioche here. I love this brioche too. I get it in the store. They're just so buttery and soft and cozy. The perfect complement for bread pudding. I'm gonna crack 3 eggs in a bowl and we're gonna whisk it. Whisk it real good. This basically helps our bread pudding mixture just blend better together instead of like adding everything all at once. Then I'm gonna add 3 cups, half of half and half, and then you can use half and half or milk or heavy cream. But 3 cups of some type of dairy, some type. This is the breakfast fun. I'm gonna add some maple syrup, 1/4 cup of it. Gonna add about a tablespoon of cinnamon and then a teaspoon of nutmeg, because fall is here and we love nutmegging things, especially for fall and winter. We're gonna mix that all up and add this to our bread. Because this is a custard, our bread is basically, you'll see it start to absorb this mixture. We're gonna stir it around, let it do its thing, get acquainted with that custard. This takes about just a couple minutes just to mix everything together. Then, of course, for breakfast, you can add anything to it, but I like to add blueberries because I'm a blueberry type of girl, okay? I'm gonna spray a casserole dish. You can also do this in ramekins if you want individual servings. And we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna put this in the oven on 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Now, I do like to add butter on top just so that it can brown very beautifully. And we're gonna let it do its thing. Boop, there we go. Let's take it out. Look how puffy and brown it is. And there we have a beautiful French breakfast bread pudding. You can serve this with syrup, whipped cream, ice cream, berry compote, whatever you want to put on top. Be sure to check out St. Pierre Bakery in the stores and also on Instagram. And of course, always share this with somebody that you love. I'll see you next time.